Good afternoon, friends. Let's discuss today's current affairs topic. PM Gati Shakti boost social security, expands health infrastructure. Recently, the Ministry of Labour and Employment joined the PM Gati Shakti site, strengthening health infrastructure and social security measures in industrial places and special economic zone is the main goal. The ministry started by negotiating about 1.3 million buildings that were part of the Employees Provident Fund organization and about 1.5 million buildings that were part of the Employees State Insurance Corporation. Exploring 268 special economic zones through the Gati Shakti platform as part of strategic growth will give many workers in these zones access to social security programs. By doing this, the safety net for workers will be strengthened, providing more coverage and benefits. The government wants to add more programs to the PM Gati Shakti portal in the future. With a focus on services for people with disabilities, this includes National Career Service Centers. Fixing the problems that scenarios have with sending in the Digital Life Award is a real benefit of this project. About PM Gati Shakti portal. The Indian government launched the PM Gati Shakti portal, which is a game-changing project that aims to create a comprehensive plan for building up infrastructure all over the country. This website is a complete GIS-based platform that brings together plant and current infrastructure projects from many different fields including shipping, aviation, roads and railways. The main goal of the Gati Shakti portal is to make sure that projects are planned and carried out in a coordinated way to cut out on delays in implementation and to boost economic growth by making it easier for people and things to move around. About social economic zones. Special economic zones are places within a country that are set apart and have a different economic rules than other areas. These areas were made to bring in foreign direct investment, boost growth and based on exports and make jobs available. In special economic zones, business can get tax breaks, lower tariffs and easier regulatory process among other things. They are very important for a country's economic plan because they improve trade and industrial growth around the world. But SEZ are also criticized for pushing out local people and making the economy less fair. That's all for today. Thank you.